Hi there, and welcome to Harvesting Heritage. I'm Shelley, and I'm currently on my way to Montana to help my mom out for a couple of weeks. Mom had already finished lining the walkways with pots before I even arrived. Our first task was to visit the local nurseries and select additional annuals to complete her turquoise pots. Last year I installed a drip irrigation system for her, and now it's time to reinstall it for the upcoming season. But that's not all we're going to be doing. We have a lot of tasks planned that we'll tackle together. Mom's tulips are a local attraction, especially this year because they're so tall. Over the past few years, my mom and my niece have been working to reclaim this space that the previous owner had concreted over and filled in the flower beds with rocks. So they've been taking the rocks out so that Mom can plant perennial flowers and tulip bulbs. Last fall, Mom planted 250 additional tulip bulbs, and they all came up this year. After we finished the pots and cleaning up, we started in on the 9 bark that's there next to me that you can see. It's supposed to be the rust colored, but it's got really bright green leaves on it. Mom said that was unusual, but we gave it a trim because it hadn't started producing its blooms yet. After installing the perennials in these concrete cutouts, I topped all the beds with mulch just to keep the weeds out. Interestingly, the entire town has been dealing with evergreens dying this year. However, it was also time to remove Mom's juniper. Thankfully, the trusty Sawzall got the job done. And Mom's neighbor was kind enough to come and pick up the juniper branches and take them to the dump for us. After all that, I proceeded to reinstall the drip irrigation system and timer, ensuring that Mom's all set for the entire summer. Make sure to tune in to our next video, where Mom and I proudly showcase all the hard work we put into her front and her back vegetable garden. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a joy-filled day.